Hello, it's Jonathan here from Antique Watch Company again with a short product video of this rather special solid 9 carat gold doctor's watch. This was retailed by E.J Frankland, not too far from our shop in Clarkmore up in Ludgate Circus. Let's see if I can get a close up of that dial. Now, we haven't had a good grade doctor's watch in of this style and condition in many years. We started the shop up back in the late 70s. My father had a real liking for these early pieces. A bit of the, I suppose you could say, the Rolex Prince style. I mean, the Rolex Prince didn't invent the doctor's watch. Many other companies, Record, Vertex, Longines were making these duo dial layouts. It involves having a longer caliber movement, a rectangular movement most of the time, or extra plates to accommodate the separated sub-seconds. So the doctor's watch term coming from an easy read sub-second hand, and I'd imagine for pulses and whatnot. But yeah, they've held the name doctors or duo dial. So this is a solid 9 carat gold case. Hallmarked and dated to 1933. It's a BWC, I think that's British Watch Case or British Watch Company, London made. It's got a Swiss FHF caliber, so it's based on an FHF 29 with the extra plate for the extended setting work. So it will have a plate extending the cannon and the setting wheels and hand driving wheels off of the actual central wheel. It's quite an interesting system actually. So it's a fully mechanical manual wind piece. Comes on quite an unusual bracelet. It's almost Rolex style, expandable, gold filled, really good quality riveted bracelet. Really suits the watch. It looks to be an actual English made bracelet as well, so period correct to this type of watch. Size wise, we're looking at around just over 30mm by 22mm. So a tank watch, rectangular watch, whichever you prefer. Quite an unusual winder as well. I mean, this watch comes up with some surprises in the quality. It's got a patent crown, really well made. It's just the watch just is an attractive piece and shouts vintage. With a watch of this age, we're recommending it's a special piece for occasional wear. I wouldn't say it's an everyday piece. Reason being non-shock, anti-magnetism, and obviously it's a square case, so they can be prone to water entry. But when you're talking a watch of this age, really, you don't really want to wear it every day. You alternate it with your other pieces. So fully mechanical manual wind. I'm going to put this on wrist and let's have a look. Now I've got quite a big wrist, so 7.5 inches. I have actually been wearing this and really enjoying it. Original, I'm going to say 3-tone dial. You've got some different levels here. You've got a 2-tone chapter and then the outer sort of railway track, blue steel hands. Very impressive piece. You can probably tell by how long I'm babbling on about it that, yeah, a really good vintage piece of history. So it's a mechanical manual wind, recently serviced, and that should be on the website now if you require more information. If you would like to make an appointment to view the watch, you can do so through the website or WhatsApp.